back to the channel. So here we are continuing work on the shop part of the house, and it's going quite well. And they are probably within 3 bays of being finished here, pouring the third to the last bay. And the crew is doing a nice job. It's a beautiful day, September day, and they're wanting to make sure that as they're pouring, all the voids are filled, and you can see it going right down on top of the radiant floor heating, and we didn't have any leaks, which is a wonderful thing. We're pouring down 5 inches of fiber mesh concrete in this pour, and that is going to be very strong.
Did you say it? Last one, boys!
Last one, boys!
Working on the last bay, the last bit of concrete yet to be poured down, and even the pumper truck guy is actually involved in holding the hose. Looks like he's helping out here, which is a great thing. So as they pour this last bit here, I think we actually came out pretty exact on the amount of concrete that we needed, so it's a nice job of estimating for the entire slab. So we didn't have much waste at all, just what was left in the pumper truck, and which I kind of repurposed on the future greenhouse wall there. So nice job, and it was just really nice to see all this hard work of all the foundation and the preparation finally come to an end. have the arrays built at this point here with all the panels. These are 16 panels in one, per pole, and we have left out the middle two so that we can raise up the section on top of the mast. So normally the manufacturer, this is Mount Solar, very high quality mast here. They usually use a chain hoist, which doesn't require a crane, and so a group of individuals can actually do it themselves rather than renting a crane or a telehandler here. But since we had this, we thought it was nice and handy to raise these up in the air. Height is not a problem for the telehandler, and we just wanted to make sure everybody was safe while we were doing it, so we're taking extra precautions here. So we raise these up to the height, and it's pretty tall, seeing this big array in the air, 16, 18 feet up. And so I want to make sure it's turned in the right orientation, and then once we get it on top, there's a retaining bolt that fits across the top that it actually sits on, and you can still rotate it in place. So once that is complete, then you can secure it down with some fasteners, and then it's not going to go anywhere. After that is done, you can adjust the elevation on these mounts anywhere from almost vertical, back to pretty much what you're seeing here. I would say probably around 80 degree tilt.